सगळ्यांनीच दाखवलें की आमी हॅपी ना म्हणून कित्याक लास्ट कमिटी मिटींग टू दीस कमिटी मिटींग कांय प्रोग्रेस दाखयलो ना आमकां फकत हिस्ट्री आमकां सांगताले आनी लास्ट टायमचे स्टोरी सांगपाक लागले तेच रिपीट करपाक लागले आमकां तांबयलें तांकां सांगपाक तें आनी सांगपाक गरज ना वॉट हॅपन बिटवीन दॅट टू दीस आनी तूं सांग कांय जालें ना सर मागीर आय आस्क्ड देम अबाउट वॉट इज दीस हॅपनिंग इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट यू फायल कंटेम्प्ट एप्लिकेशन यू फायल सम डिसओबिडियन्स एप्लिकेशन आनी कितें वॉट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ इट बिकॉज वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू नो यू ओनली फायल्ड यू हॅव टू गेट इट ऑन बोर्ड यू मस्ट गेट इट हांवें पासून एग्जाम्पल दिला सुप्रीम कोर्टात केसीस कितकोन राती भितर हियरींग गेल्या आनी नेक्स्ट डे ऑर्डर पास केले पूण आमगे जायना आमगे फकत डेट एंड डेट कित्याक कसलो फायदो हे सगळे फायल करून कित्याक मागीर आमची गाणी जाता कित्याक आमी लोक आम कांय करनात आमची हावस कमिटी कसले फायदो सो दीस इज ऑल वी पुट इट अप एंड देन वी आस्क्ड वाय आर नॉट गोईंग फॉर एन इन्स्पेक्शन ऑल्सो हांवें चालला इफ प्रभा हॅज गॉट द पावर टू पास इंट्रीम ऑर्डर्स कित्याक त्याच पाटी दुबाव आसता इफ देर इज अ ऑथॉरिटी गो बिफोर ऑथॉरिटी फॉर एन ऑर्डर डोंट गो बिफोर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट पासून तूं धाडटले परत थिंगा आतां एप्लिकेशन केलें म्हणटा हांवें म्हणलें एप्लिकेशन केलें जाल्यार कित्याक प्रेस करनात ऑर्डर पास कर म्हूण कितें कर म्हूण ना जाल्यार मागीर सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचूं जाता आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगूं जाता ते कांय ऑर्डर पास करना तूं हिंग आमकां डायरेक्शन दी नाजाल्यार तांकां टायम बाउंड डायरेक्शन दी म्हणून हे पासून करना सो आय आस्क्ड देम इज देयर अ मिसमॅच बिटवीन यू ऑल एंड इवन युअर लीगल टीम कित्याक प्रभा मिटिंगाक सांगल्यार नो नो द लॉयर्स आर नॉट कमींग so they don't know what's happening here these people don't communicate properly and a fiasco so finally what is the use of this house committee we are just coming here just passing our time best time amka in ditat slide show and cover so we have to have the reason for the committee was all of us decided on board irrespective of party irrespective of any affiliation will come together because it is our duty to protect Mhadei for the whole of Goa and if this doesn't work out I think this is just simply waste of time
So the Karnataka government is not following the rules. Just what is
आम्ही सांगला one side chief engineer was saying that they are doing illegally other side somebody was contradicting by saying no there is no violation so they were like very confused of what they were talking
what is the decision?
so finally they've decided they're going to request for us to visit the place over there and the honorable minister said he will ask the speaker and the speaker will make a request also to the speaker so that we can have official visit so we can exactly assess what is going on and let us see how the thing works out.
काही एमएलए जसं काही एमएलए म्हणता की कर्नाटकान जो गव्हर्नमेंट आसा तो काँग्रेसीचो आसा काँग्रेसीचे
the question of Congress or not we are in Goa we are army goankar we have to protect our Goa so we have to go there and we have to see
सर काँग्रेस लीडर निंबाळकर मॅडमन म्हटलेले की इशू
ask her what she has said ask me what
Are
she
you
said.
expecting the visit before the assembly session?
I can't tell you because the date will be decided in consultation with them. I can't tell you the date. That only the minister can answer. But also one thing I want to tell you, I asked when will be the next meeting. I said please have it before the next assembly session, not this coming one. Because it should not be like after 1 year and 2 years and nothing is happening. So we have to have an accountability.